If you can't install apps from Play Store on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, if you are stuck on pending, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna close the Play Store. In fact, let's go to settings, open apps in here, then we need to find the Play Store, and let's take a look. I suppose it's going to be Google Play Store actually. There we go. And in here you want to force stop if possible, of course. You want to force stop it if it is possible to do so. Besides that, what you can do is you can go to the control center, for example, and you want to turn off Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data, depending which one you use. And if you use both, then you want to disable both of these options. Besides that, you can go to settings, and here we're gonna scroll down to go to additional settings, then open a date and time. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the date and time as well as the time zone is set to be automatic. So make sure that these two options are enabled in here. So if they were disabled, just turn them on. Then you want to re-enable Wi-Fi and /or mobile data, and you should be able to go back to the Play Store and you should be able to install apps now. In case it didn't help, you can also restart your phone, so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then you want to slide it down over here to reboot the phone, and hopefully once it turns back on, you are going to be able to install apps from the Play Store. Leave a like and subscribe.